Aurelia Wave UX makes cleaners yoga routines easier, thanks to a series of features designed to make the workflow smooth and seamless. With a standard auto-purge system, the cleaning of each group head takes place automatically when the filter holder is released. This feature helps speed up the workflow, avoid energy waste, and improve the quality of the drinks. The grid, with its special shape, does not leave water on the surface, causing it to deposit on the bottom without leaving residues. Just wipe with a cloth for a satisfactory cleaning. After heating the milk, the barista can clean the nozzle of the steam wand with a cloth and then complete the procedure by activating the steam with a simple gesture using the push and pull lever. Fast and simple cleaning makes it easy to uphold high health and hygiene standards. With its easy maintenance routines, Aurelia Wave UX drives up baristas' sense of motivation. This is a valuable resource for chain coffee shops or wherever there is a need to prepare an abundance of great coffee.